Okay guys, so ngayon, doon sa nagtatanong no kung paano lagyan ng balance yung game. So gamit ang GCash. So ngayon guys, ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo kung ano yung magiging procedure since naka-direct server tayo from China. That means that all transactions will be conducted is um, in compliance to the approval of the um, confirmation of Chinese identity. So yun guys, papakita ko sa inyo na um, anong mga possible na pwedeng gawin para makapag top up or malagyan ng balance. Okay, so wait. So ito guys, saglit lang. Okay, so meron akong i-claim konti. So guys, we're talking about how to top up, right? So ito, yung plus diamond yung may zero. So dyan ka makakapag top up, no? So depende sa choices mo, pero yung conversion niya is Chinese yuan. So you need to pay using this kind of method. Let me check. So I'm gonna show you guys the ways. So there are four ways here na pwede kang magbayad, ano. So ngayon, since China direct server yung sinabi ko kanina sa inyo, sa nagtatanong kung pwede ba GCash, nakalagay dito sa Chinese character is naka-Alipay payment. So kumbaga, ibig sabihin nun is naka-direct to China yuan currency yung payment mo. So possible ba na pwede akong makapag-transfer sa, for example, GCash ko papunta sa Alipay? So guys, ang isasagot ko dyan is uh, kailangan natin ng visa. So if ever we use international card, siguro possible but rarely works. So guys, pag proceed natin kasi mag-proceed siya to payment. Yan, 648 yuan. So paying in Alipay. So wala siyang other currency, instead na magbabayad ka through yuan. So ang conflict nito guys, if ever na makapag access ka to proceed, yun lang kasi you need to confirm your identity na ikaw talaga yung um, may-ari ng bank, kasi bank transfer, China bank transfer confirmation siya. So magagamit ba natin yung Philippine card, etc., international card? Ang sagot ko is so yun guys. Pwede naman tayong so ayan guys, hindi siya nag-proceed, no? So nakalagay is alipay.com. So redirect siya sa sa app niya na Alipay para mabayaran. So yun, medyo kasi to, conflict. Yung server niya is hindi siya globally access. So naka residential access po tayo So, nakikigamit lang tayo ng residential identity card, which is yung tinuro ko sa inyo sa other video, na in reality is identity card. So, bali, generated lang yung ginawa ko para makapaglaro tayo sa game. So, na-access naman natin yung mga free na claim na mga reward. And along the way, ang hindi mo lang mabibili talaga is yung VIP mode. You can use another way if you have friends in mainland China. In China, you can ask for a middleman something like that, so you can send them your money from GCash or somewhere, and in exchange they're gonna pay you in the game, so you can have access with the VIP. So yun guys, hanggang dun lang tayo, no, sa paliwanag ko. So I hope naintindihan nyo, at pasensya na guys, ni-research ko talaga. If mayroong other way, then I will tell you as soon as possible if meron ako makita. So yun, enjoy playing and thank you.